Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to send messages from a Facebook page using Facebook Meta Business Suite. It's super easy process to handle or send messages to someone using Meta Business Suite. So first of all, open business.facebook.com and you will jump into this Meta Business Suite homepage. And here, make sure to select your business account to work with. And now, click on Inbox and you will directly jump into your inbox. Here, if you select all messages, then you will get your Instagram, your Facebook page, all messages. And now, if you want to handle only Messenger conversations, then go to Messenger. And now, you can easily open any conversation and you can easily write a message here and you can send the message easily. And if you have a lots of conversation and you want to find out a specific conversation, you can do that by using this search box. And if you want to handle only Instagram messages, then go to Instagram section. Then you will be able to reply to any Instagram conversation. Also, you can reply to your Facebook page comments from here. You can also reply to your Instagram comments from here. So this is how we can easily send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.